International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, IITA, is a non-profit international agricultural research for development institution that generates agricultural innovations to meet Africa's most pressing challenges of hunger, malnutrition, poverty, and natural resource degradation. IITA is a part of the CGIAR, a global agricultural research for development consortium with operations in more than 40 African countries. IITA has its headquarters in Ibadan, Nigeria. Rwanda is one of the stations of IITA's Central Africa Hub and has been in existence since the 1980s. IITA has been collaborating with the Rwandan government through the Rwanda Agriculture and Livestock Development Board and Ministry of Agriculture and Animal Resources to mainstream agricultural practices and improve production.
IITA has continued to support the government of Rwanda in terms of research. I have been a former IITA employee. I have seen firsthand impact of the innovations that are coming out of research from IITA can do, as well as the collaboration that IITA does have with the NAS in the country. I do believe there is a bright future for our collaboration.
In 2017, during a strategic retreat with our core partners in Rwanda, we committed to contributing to transform Rwanda agriculture through innovative research and partnership. We also seek to advance science and strengthen capacity in our focused crops, banana, cassava, soybean, and maize by collaborating and co-investing with governmental, development, and private sector organizations.
IITA Rwanda, we try to position ourselves between what IITA does globally and what are the priorities of the Rwandan government. So we are trying to contribute to transforming Rwandan agriculture through innovative research and through our partnerships.
All IITA investments and projects contribute to three main pillars. These are innovation and scaling, capacity development, and partnerships and policies. Currently, IITA Rwanda is implementing 7 projects, including the Consortium for Improving Agriculture-Based Livelihoods in Central Africa, CIALCA, focusing on testing innovative varieties of cassava fertilizers to come up with appropriate fertilizers for soil type and geographical area in Rwanda using digital data.
We are testing different types of fertilizers to see which are the most effective fertilizers for cassava here in Rwanda. It's nutrient omission trials, which means there is where we put some types of fertilizers and we omit others to know the difference, what is the best yielding, what is the best combination of fertilizers so that it can contribute to the high production or productivity of cassava.
The Cassava Brown Streak Disease Control (CBSD) project, which is being implemented in partnership with the Rwanda Agriculture and Livestock Development Board, Rubona Station, is carrying out innovations in breeding and multiplication of basic and pre-basic cassava seed.
We have been working with IITA since a long time. IITA helped to introduce new material, and from the tissue culture material, we moved to screen house and field for evaluation to solve this problem of cassava diseases. So IITA is really help us to deliver.
IITA Rwanda also has a joint project with Bioversity International, the Rwanda Agricultural Board, and other partners conducting research on the use of the innovative Single Diseased Stem Removal (SDSR) system to combat banana Xanthomonas wilt (BXW) in Rwanda.
In this, we're having demo trials where we're trying to compare the old method to combat BXW in Rwanda, which is complete matter protein, and a method we want to introduce, which is single disease stem removal. The results stay to be steady and is promising. It will be a benefit to farmers because it's cheap and not time consuming, and it doesn't reduce the production.
More than 10 students have been sponsored or facilitated to conduct research and study for degrees at bachelor's, master's, or PhD levels. IITA's capacity development is not limited to academics. It also develops the capacities of local organizations such as the Conseil Consultatif des Femmes, COCOF, a women's cooperative that worked with IITA under the N2 Africa project.
Kashati yadufashije gukora ubushakashatsi ku binyamisogwe, ikinyamisogwe cya soya n'ibinyamisogwe by'ibishyimbo. Ku binyamisogwe bya soya rero twarakoranye mu by'ukuri hakorwa ubushakashatsi ku mavariyete atandukanye, haza kwemezwa variyete 3 ariyo Saga, ariyo Skeya, hanyuma na SB 24. Ibyo bara ni technology IITA yatwigishije mu by'ukuri, ku buryo yatwigishije kuvuga ngo turahinga ibigori, tuvanga ibigori na soya, ni ukuvuga ngo hagati y'umurongo w'ibigori, hagati y'umurongo n'undi tugashyiramo metero izi nize 5, noneho hagati ya mirongo ko ari 2 y'ibigori tugashyiramo noneho nk'imirongo 4-3 ya soya, noneho tukabona mu by'ukuri biratanga umusaruro.
The impact of our work in Rwanda depends strongly on our collaboration with our partners, mainly government organizations, public and private sector, and of course also the farmer organizations. We really value the partnerships that we have, and we are looking forward to expanding our partnership networks, to having more impact and transforming Rwandan agriculture.